case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1985, the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit heard the case of Allied Bank International vs. Banco Credito Agricola de Cartago. The case centered around the act of state doctrine and whether it applied, as the situs of the debt in question was in New York, not Costa Rica. Recognizing the Costa Rican directives in this case would have violated contract law principles and U.S. interests. Allied Bank International, on behalf of a group of 39 creditor banks, filed a lawsuit against 3 Costa Rican banks owned by the Republic of Costa Rica in February 1982, seeking to collect on defaulted promissory notes payable in U.S. dollars in New York. The Costa Rican banks claimed sovereign immunity and lack of jurisdiction, but the court ultimately ruled in favor of Allied and granted a summary judgment in their favor. The case was initially dismissed when the parties negotiated a debt rescheduling agreement, but it fell through when Fidelity Union Trust Company of New Jersey rejected the proposal. The court found that the Costa Rican government's attempt to repudiate its private commercial obligations went against the orderly resolution of international debt problems and the interests of the United States. As a result, the act of state doctrine was not applicable to the litigation, and the district court's rulings were reversed. In conclusion, the court held that the Costa Rican directives were inconsistent with U.S. law and policy. They directed the district court to enter judgment for Allied and reverse the previous decision, stating that the directives did not excuse the bank's obligations. Recognizing these directives would have violated contract law principles and negated contract provisions between the involved parties.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climate.